Ever feel like you're putting in all this effort on your YouTube channel, but your videos are just not getting seen? Meanwhile, some channels are blowing up with way fewer resources than you have. How do they do it? What's the secret? Let me give you an example. Have you heard of The Future? It's a massive channel in the creative industry teaching design, branding, and content strategy. But here's the thing. They don't just make great videos. They dominate SEO. Every video they post is optimized to target the exact audience searching for their content. It's no coincidence they rank so high. It's strategy. Let's get into it. What is YouTube SEO and why do you need it? YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization, is like a map that helps YouTube's algorithm understand where your videos belong. Think of it as giving directions so your content can reach the right audience at the right time. Why does this matter? Well, according to Quartz, a whopping 70% of the videos we watch on YouTube come from recommendations. That's right, SEO is the magic behind getting your content noticed and recommended. So if you want more views, subscribers, and income, mastering SEO is the key. Checklist 1. The ultimate guide to keyword research. So how do you find these magical keywords? That's where tools like keywords.io, TubeBuddy, and vidIQ come into play. They show you high-volume, low-competition keywords that people are actively searching for. Now, here's where it gets fun. Once you have your keywords, you've got to use them strategically. Your title? Make sure the primary keyword is right at the start, something like Best Tech Gadgets of 2024. For tags, break your title into individual words like Tech, Gadgets, 2024, and mix in related phrases like Top Technology Trends or Must-Have Devices. And your description, naturally weave your keywords into the first few lines because guess what? That's exactly what YouTube's algorithm scans to recommend your video. And here's a pro tip. Don't just go for the obvious terms. Long-tail keywords? Specific phrases like best budget tech gadgets for students can help you dominate niche searches. They're gold for smaller channels or creators trying to stand out in a crowded space. See how this all connects? It's like creating the ultimate roadmap for YouTube to find and recommend your content. Checklist 2. Channel SEO settings. First up, channel keywords. Go to YouTube Studio, head over to Settings, then Channel, and select Basic Info. Here's where you need to add keywords that represent your niche. Since we're talking about technology, you'd want terms like tech gadgets, AI trends, or best laptops 2024. These keywords are how YouTube figures out what your channel is all about, so don't hold back. Think of all the buzzwords in your industry and plug them in. Next, let's move to upload defaults. YouTube has a nifty feature where you can set default tags, descriptions, and even hashtags that automatically populate every time you upload a video. This saves so much time, especially if your content revolves around the same theme. For instance, if you're reviewing gadgets, you could add evergreen hashtags like Gadget Guide. And in your default description, throw in a few common phrases like, discover the latest technology and gadgets here. Checklist 3. Video SEO settings. Now, once your thumbnail has grabbed attention, your title is next in line. Titles are prime real estate for SEO. Start with your primary keyword, something like Best Tech Gadgets of 2024. Then add a curiosity trigger like You Won't Believe to make viewers want to click. Pro tip, break down your title into keywords separated by commas and paste them into your tags. This simple hack helps YouTube better understand your video. And don't skip your description. This is another place where SEO magic happens. Use your keywords naturally in the first 2 to 3 lines because that's what people see before they hit read more. Briefly describe the video. Something like, discover the top 5 must-have gadgets of 2024, including smart home devices and budget-friendly tech. Add timestamps to guide viewers, links to relevant resources, and hashtags like tech reviews or 2024 gadgets to boost searchability. Also, don't just stop at hashtags. Make sure to include tags too. These little gems help YouTube categorize your video and serve it to the right audience. When you combine all these elements, an eye-catching thumbnail, a keyword-rich title, and an optimized description, you are setting your video up for maximum visibility. Checklist 4. Pro tips to boost SEO. These are the tricks that can take your videos from good to unstoppable. First up, share your video everywhere. Platforms like Reddit, niche forums, and social media are gold mines for promotion. For example, If your video is about the latest tech gadgets, share it in a subreddit like r/technology, or in Facebook groups focused on gadgets. And don't forget hashtags. Use tags like hashtag tech review or gadget guide to target broader audiences on Instagram. Next, organize your content into playlists. Playlists are not just convenient for viewers, they're a secret weapon for SEO. They increase your channel's watch time by keeping viewers hooked. For instance, if you're making tech videos, create something like Top Gadgets of 2024 or Beginner's Guide to Tech Reviews. These playlists encourage viewers to binge watch, which YouTube absolutely loves. And here's a pro move: collaborate with other creators. Find someone in your niche and team up for a video. For example, if you review smartphones, you could pair up with someone who covers photography tips and do a crossover about the best phones for photography. It's a win-win. You both get exposure to new audiences and boost credibility in your field. Now, let's do a quick check. First, we talked about keyword research, the foundation of SEO. Then we moved on to channel SEO settings, where you learned how to set up keywords and upload defaults. After that, we dived into video SEO settings, thumbnails, titles, descriptions, and tags. And finally, those pro tips: sharing on platforms, creating playlists, and collaborating with others to grow your reach. Did you get them all? If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.